Friday evening update for the weather. As you can see right now, it is cold over the central and southern time zones and eastern too. We have 11 in Pittsburgh, 25 in Philadelphia, 21 in Roanoke, 33 north of Atlanta, 33 in Kansas, 42 in Denver, 62 in Sacramento, and 69 down in San Diego. And as you can see, we have got a little bit of rain around, a little bit of snow around Missouri, middle of the country. Departing storm in the northeast, and some showers in Florida with a temperature of 71 in Miami. And rain and snow continues across the west. This map is from the Weather Channel, and it shows -8 degrees in International Falls. That's the core of the cold air that's zooming in that way, towards Philadelphia, towards DC, towards Northeast, towards Atlanta. Atlanta's going to drop into the 15s tonight. And southern half of Florida may be spared from this really cold air. We got 38 in Boise, 43 in Denver. And the lone warm spot is the southwest. And as you can see depicted on this, you got the ridge in the west from central Montana through central Wyoming, central Colorado, down into western Kansas, down into central Texas, and then all the way across the southeast and east coasts, with the core of the cold air staying up here with -20s in the south central Canada. Sorry, jeez. Alright, this is the setup for next Tuesday into Wednesday. AccuWeather put this up on their website with a potential snowstorm from North Georgia to Maine, including Washington, D.C. and State College, which have gotten barely any snow this year. State College is at like 10 or 15 inches. D.C. and Baltimore area is around 2 to 4 inches. Philly's up towards 23 now. So, west is even more. Towards like Chester County, they got like 25 to 30 inches. And here's your jackpot of snow with over 40 inches across many locations in the northeast. So this storm will definitely add to that. I'll take a look at the models next. Here's a model run from this storm. As you can see, it's cold and clear through Saturday in the East Coast, with a little storm that may affect eastern parts of North Carolina, but that's about it, with a tiny little bit of snow, 1 to 2 inches at max. As we head through Monday, you're starting to see a storm develop in the south of New Orleans, and this is a perfect setup for some sort of winter storm. And as we head forward, we're at 1 o'clock Tuesday morning. As you can see, snow has developed across the Ohio Valley, and rain and thunderstorms across the Gulf Coast. And as you can see, by 1 o'clock in the afternoon on Tuesday, it has moderate snow affecting DC, Virginia, south of Philadelphia, and really an unbelievable amount of moisture with this thing. As we go forward, it's 7 p.m. now Tuesday night, and it has heavy snow from DC to Philly, and that could be a blizzard. I mean, with this run, I mean, we're still 19 to 20 runs out. We're 5 days, or a little less than 5 days to go, so definitely something to keep an eye on. Look at it explode across South Jersey and the Philadelphia area. Not that this will happen, it's just, something that's possible. And it just holds on. It holds on. So, pay places and look at that. And it's taking the perfect track for DC to Boston to get more than 10 inches of snow. And then it dies down as it gets to the northeast, and by Thursday it's out of here. Here's the accumulated snowfall map for this storm on the GFS at 177 hours out, so definitely about the storm is over. You got pockets, you got snow cover across all of Virginia, at least on an inch across most of Virginia, and then as you get into northern Virginia, it gets from 2 inches across Fredericksburg, 4 inches across the southern suburbs, 6 to 8 for DC. As you can see, probably Columbia to Trenton in a 18 plus range. This is a very similar setup. Not that it's a similar storm, but it's very similar setup to the February 9th and 10th blizzard last year, where most of the snow was north and east of DC and south and west of New York City. And then you get more snow out towards, more 18 plus out towards Boston in that area. Thank you, and we will talk again soon. I'll have an update this weekend.